Good morning, Miami. I'm here at my new listing, taking the professional pictures. It's coming on the market soon. Let me show you around. It is gated, no association. It has, let me show you inside. Tile floors, very high ceiling, lots of lights, lots of windows. This is the formal living room, the formal dining room, this is the family room, and the gorgeous kitchen with the island in the middle and the hood, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, the cabinet, they are custom made, Italian. This property is great to entertain. The selling point is most definitely the pool, the backyard. Lots of landscaping, gorgeous blue pool. You have an entrance on the back as well. This property has a space to park your boat. No association. It has accordion shutters all throughout the whole house. It's freshly painted inside out. Is hitting the market today. Just finished doing the professional pictures. This property also has 1 bedroom and 1 bath on the first floor. 2-car garage. Let me show you outside. Well, let me show you on the second floor. This is a den. Lots of windows, lots of lights. This is one of the bedroom with a bathroom. Let me show you the master. There's no carpet on the second floor. Let me show you the bathroom, the master bathroom. Very spacious. 2 walk-in closets. And it has a balcony with a great view. Let me show you the others. 2-bedroom. They all have walk-in closets. This property is very easy to show. Please call me at 305-962-8485 for a view of this property.